MN Triton. These come from Ocam. By the looks of it, they have little foam bits there, so you know which side goes on what, so that will line up with the trim. And then the question is, do I install it far away or close to the top? I'm probably going to go close to the top, as far back as possible. And I'll do that for both of them. This is similar, it's got a little foam bit at the back for the trim. So I've wet it down with a clay bar liquid, pretty much just soapy water. If you haven't seen a clay bar before, it's just a bar of clay that you rub along your car. It just removes any contaminants on the surface. And you can definitely feel the difference from before and after. I don't think I've seen anyone else properly do this before installing them, so it's not strictly necessary, but probably can't hurt. Now indeed clay barred all my window edges, so I'm just going over with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure it's properly clean instead of the dust. So now the surface should be prepped. I'll heat up Ocam say to heat up the glue first and then stick it on. Some people do, some people don't, so I might try this one first, heat it up, see how it goes. Cool. That's flairs installed.